Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use OneDrive for business shared folder. Okay, so first you have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for the OneDrive for business. Okay, so we just have to sign up for an account, and then don't worry because OneDrive for business has a free trial. So you just have to click on this one, the Microsoft OneDrive, and then I just have to create a new account. So just click on the create one option. Okay, and then after that, you just have to type out right here your email. So this is an example format, so you just have to follow it. Then after creating your account, you just have to click on next. Okay, and then once you're done logging in and purchasing a plan on OneDrive, you'll be able to see here now your account right here. Now let's go to the home page, and this is now our section. Now the next thing that you should do is you just have to go to the OneDrive section, and once you're here, you'll be able to see all of the files on your all of the folder on your OneDrive. Now, if you want to create a new one, just have to click on the add new option, and then I can either use Word document or Excel and more. So I'm just going to use the Word document, and then I'm just going to name this one as business folder or report. Okay, and then click on create. Now you'd be directed to your Word account. And then here, just have to input the details of this folder. So for example, I'm just going to use this one as an example. I'm just going to type it right here. Put all of the information in this section or in this field. Then after that, we just have to save it. Okay, so you can either save it as PDF, and then it will also be automatically saved as an online file. Okay, so here you can export this one as PDF if you want to. And then let's go back to our OneDrive section, and let's try to see if we have saved an online copy of this business report. And as you can see, this is the folder now. Now the next thing you should do here is to share it to your teammates or to the people that you want to have a business with. So just click on the share option, and here you can start by adding a name, group, or email. Okay, so you just have to go here, and then I just have to type out the email of your client or the email of your business partner, and then you can add more if you want to add multiple people. Next is you have to add your message. Okay, so what this report is all about, or if you have specific instruction for this folder. Okay, so for example, please view this report, and then I just have to copy the link, and then you can send it on that person. Here on the privacy section, who do you want to share this folder to? So since this is a business folder, of course, we are going to select people you choose, and then the more settings, we have their access right here. So I'm just going to select can view, and then if you want to add an expiration date, you just have to go here and then click on apply after that. Now next thing that you should do is to send it, so you can invite your teammate or your business partner to have access to this folder. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.